How to make a woman think about you non-stop. Hello guys, welcome to How Talks. In this video, we are going to talk about how to make a woman think about you non-stop. So this method is about the emotional connection. The emotional connection doesn't mean that you get over emotional every time and talk about your deepest desires early on. The emotional connection means you show her that you are the guy that she wants. So the time you spend with her is very important to attraction phase. So this video is gonna be more about how to make her continuously think about you once you are in that stage of spending time together and now you want her to think about you even more. Method number 1, do not be predictable. This is the most important out of all of them. You want to show an imbalance so she knows that she still has to attract you. And she thinks she still has to do some work to get you. Meaning, if you text her good morning or good night text all the time, then stop doing it. Look, if she starts to do this, also don't respond too early to her text, make her wait and get excited to see your name pop up on her phone. Method number 2 is to be mysterious. Let her wonder what you are doing. Don't post everything on Instagram, on Facebook or any other social media that she can able to see it. Like what you are doing, who you are going out with and where you are. Instead, post less if you are active on social media. Also, being mysterious means temporarily disappearing. You don't want to disappear for too long, but disappear long enough that it gets you wondering what you are up to. If it takes you a whole day to reply to her morning text, and then at night you finally text her back and say that I've had such a busy day, I hope your day was great and I'm going to the bed as I have a long day tomorrow. I will talk to you soon and good night. This message shows her that she's not your priority, and women love this. They think you have a life that you love. Do this a couple of times, not just once. But there are some dating coaches that will tell you to go off for 3 days or 4 days or even a week. But let's be honest, if this woman is attractive, she isn't going to be turned on by this because it just seems shady. You just have to pop in and out, but on your terms because you are the busy one. Keep this up for about 3 days. Once you start engaging in conversation again, she's gonna be thinking, what are you really doing? She might think things like, does he has another girl? What is he doing that he is so busy that he isn't giving me the time of the day? This stands out from a lot of other men and what they are doing right now. Remember, you want to be less predictable during the time, which enhances her attraction towards you. I mean, most of the time, this girl might even say, when am I gonna see you again? When you reach back to her again, and this is where you want her to be. So making plans after being busy, when you start chatting with her again, just let her know that you have been busy with work. But also focus the conversation on what she's been up to and not always talk about yourself. You don't want to fully answer her questions all the time because it brings more mystery to her. Once you do schedule something with her eventually and not right away, why the time that passes will get her excited to see you again. That time is critical for the attraction phase. Say something like this, hey, I'm busy the next 2 days but have some time on Sunday night. Would you like to go for dinner? I encourage you to do this because you don't want to become that text messaging boy. Make sure your text messages are simple to the point and closed-ended most of the time. By not making yourself so available will give her enough time to miss you and want to see you again. This is how you stick out in her mind. If a woman is not reciprocating any of this, then she might not be interested. Thank you for watching. If you want more videos, then do comment, I will check them. If you like this video, then do subscribe and press the bell icon so you will never miss any video. I will see you in the next video. Till that, keep learning, keep improving and rock yourself.